His second incident comes shortly after Mr. Kev, 54, accidentally set fire to his kitchen while he was cooking late this morning. The disaster struck again when the television chief prepared Mr. John's sauce. But his wife Lisa Faulkner watched in total horror as his red gloopy sauce splashed on the walls, floors and sides of their beautifully clean kitchen. Their dog rushed to the bloody scene and began to run in the sticky substance that seeped onto the boards. Lisa rolled cameras and filmed the aftermath of the sauce explosion that destroyed the kitchen. John had an accident, she said. Oh my God, the dog eats it. John managed to keep their dog Rory away from the crime scene. Lisa lamented the ruin of her photo of the dog who had been proudly propped up on the shelf. She said, "Here's the other side of the kitchen, my picture of Rory." However, John enslaved for 2 hours to clean up the chaotic mess in their kitchen. The kitchen was sparkling when the chef finished polishing the surfaces and walls. Lisa praised her wonderful husband after he cleaned up the mess. She said, "My wonderful husband who spent 2 hours, he cleaned up everything." He did a wonderful job. He is incredible. It comes hours after the London Fire Brigade was ashamed of the leader for its recent fire when it aired this morning. The LFB wrote, "The Apex Live fire teams were never to leave the kitchen unattended after a fire in a Pound Sidcup apartment." At John Torodes One's fire safety error live on at this morning shows how easy it is to have an accident in the kitchen. John caused a sensation by accidentally setting fire to his tea towel he had left on his oven. The star was listening to speak to Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield on a video call from his home. He had shown the host couple how to prepare sausage and egg muffin for locked-out McDonald's lovers.